Hi, today I'll show you how to make Telegram account without phone number. All you need is a Telegram, Play Market, and this app, SMS Activate. First of all, open Telegram. And in search, you need to type SMS Activate. Here is this app. I've already downloaded it, but you will need to do it. Let's open SMS Activate. Here is the main menu. Once we opened it, we should click on those three lines in the left side of the screen. After it, you will need to log in and top up your balance. Once we did it, click on Telegram and then choose price. And among all numbers, let's buy the cheapest one. Just wait a bit, and here we get our number. Let's copy it. Then get back to Telegram, start messaging, and paste the number. Then just agree with everything, click on Continue, Now let's get back to SMS Activate and wait a bit for our code. I also should mention that since we do not have access to this number, we do not log out from the account on this device so that we can receive service calls from Telegram when it's activated on other devices. Here we get our code. The next step is to come up with a new name. I'll type something like Telegram Help. Click Continue. Well, now we have our new account, but not linked to our phone number. Then just agree with everything. And now we can open our settings, change the username, change bio and whatever we want. Well, thanks you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button and the bell to receive notifications of our new videos.